Welcome everyone to GNS Paralegal Services presenting motor vehicle accidents, what you need to know just in case. You can claim for any damages or injuries you receive from motor vehicle accidents. There has been many reports of motor vehicle accidents in Jamaica. Take a look at this TVJ report.
At least 20 people have been hospitalized following an early morning motor vehicle crash on the Spring Gardens main road in Portland. Preliminary reports are that shortly after 7 Sunday morning, a public passenger bus was traveling from Port Antonio to Ocho Rios when the driver lost control of the vehicle. The bus veered off the road and flipped several times before landing on its top. A team from the Portland Fire Station was alerted to assist with the removal of the injured occupants. Investigators are now trying to determine.
All right, so Jamaica's statistics shows that motor vehicle accident happens frequently in Jamaica. This means that at any time you, your family, or your friends can be involved in a motor vehicle accident. The statistics for 2020 from the National Road Safety Unit shows that there were over 430 victims from 361 crashes. This includes motorcyclists, pedestrians, pedal cyclists, pillions, and passengers. So whether you drive, ride, walk, or just a passenger, you can be impacted by motor vehicle accidents. Since April 2021, there has been over 140 victims from 125 road accidents. It is very important for you to know what to do just in case you or anyone you know gets involved in a motor vehicle accident. Now, what should accident victims do? Accident victims should report the accident to the nearest police station. You cannot claim from the insurance or in the courts if you do not have a police report. Your claim will not be honored without a police report. Secondly, report the accident to your insurance company if you are the motor vehicle owner or driver. This increases the chances of persons involved in the motor vehicle accident to have a successful claim. Thirdly, go to a doctor. Even if you do not feel the symptoms of your injuries right away, it is best to have a doctor assess you. Most of the times, accident victims do not feel the impact of the injury right away, but later on end up suffering from them. So, go to a doctor. If you also end up claiming for any injuries you receive as a result of a motor vehicle accident, you will need a doctor's report before your claim is honored. Last but not least, go to a lawyer or a legal professional like myself who can refer you to a lawyer without a referral fee. Lawyers know what to do when it comes on to accident victims. They know what documents to submit and the time frame in which to do so. It is best to seek the services of an attorney at law or a legal professional who can assist you in finding an attorney at law if you do not know any. Now, what should accident victims not do? Accident victims should not wait past 48 hours to report the accident, except, of course, in critical instances. Waiting makes it harder. It makes it more difficult to gather the necessary information. There is also a time limit by law in which you can report motor vehicle accident, so please take note. Secondly, accident victims we do not recommend treating your injuries on your own. Treating your injuries on your own complicates things and makes it harder to prove that your injuries were as a result of the motor vehicle accident. Thirdly, we do not recommend that you speak to investigators without your attorney being present. You may just say something that you should not say. Last but not least, we do not recommend that you negotiate or settle with the insurance without an attorney. You do not know the value of your injuries. The insurance company knows this, and they will oftentimes offer you less than what your injuries are worth. and attorneys know how to assess your injury and successfully negotiate with the insurance company for you. So it is best to get an attorney when you're dealing with motor vehicle accidents. Now, remember now that motor vehicle accident, they can happen to anyone. They can happen anytime. You can claim from them. It's best to know what to do. It was my pleasure presenting on motor vehicle accident. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. Thank you, everyone.